Hello everyone, I'm Syed Azazalisha and today I'm going to present a lecture about deviance and crime. What is the basic difference between deviance and crime? How you will differentiate it. So if you people are new on my channel, so kindly do subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon in order to get notification for my upcoming lectures as well. So let's start. Definition: violation of state criminal law is called crime, while the violation of social norms of a society is called deviance. Agents of control. Agents of control from crimes are police and judiciary and other law enforcement agencies. While in case of deviance, agents of control from deviance are societal pressure or fear of God. Who will deal with? Government has the power of punishment to deal with the crime. While in case of deviance, society has no coercive power. Nature. Crime is always criminal in nature and is punishable by the penal code of a specific country, while deviance is informally violation of societal norms. It is not punishable by the penal code, but the deviant person will face resistance and harsh response from the society. Creation. Violation of law makes deviance a crime, while in case of deviance, a social change make a behavior as the deviant behavior. Intensity. Crime is considered as severe in nature. Its intensity is severe. While in case of deviance, it is not considered as severe in nature by the justice system, but sometimes in societies it becomes very severe and intense. Punishment. Criminal will have to get punishment by the law, while deviant people cannot get punishment by the law. However, deviant person can be rejected by the society and can make a deviant person as an outsider. Effect. Crime is defined by the law, while deviants are defined by the society members. Examples: killing, assault, robbery, kidnapping, rape. These are some types of crimes, while homosexuality, smoking in front of the elders, or immature behavior in divine places like mosques, churches, etc., and other kind of immoral activities which is against the moral standards of a society would be considered as a deviant behavior. So I hope you all students got this lecture in a good manner, and these are the difference between the crime and deviance. I hope you all people got it. If you people have any confusion, any ambiguity, so you can ask me questions in the below comment section. And if you people didn't subscribe my channel, so kindly do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well in order to get notifications for the upcoming important lectures which is related with the field of criminology. So thank you very much and God bless you.